If you're thinking about relocating, then you want to be sure and read this free report. Here in Central Maryland, spring and summer are the preferred moving season in real estate for most home sellers and home buyers. So if you're planning to make a move in the coming months, you'll want to check out and read our new report, Relocating. We have one for sellers and one for buyers. It's filled with great information. In it, we're going to offer some pro tips to help you get prepared and get organized and to get settled in your new home. Hi, my name's Mark Hewitson. I'm with Maryland Real Estate Professionals and RE/MAX Realty Plus, and we have Central Maryland covered. One of my top relocation tips to share with clients is, especially when you're looking to buy and sell at the same time, put your home on the market. Go ahead and get it out there and list it, and then start looking for a new home. Make sure that when you put your home on the market, that your professional realtor adds a home of choice contingency to the listing. This means that if you get an offer on your home and you accept the offer, you still have a certain amount of time to find a new home. If you can't find a new home, a home of choice, in that given time period, the buyer can either extend the contract and let you keep looking for a home, or they can cancel the contract and you put it back on the market or take it off on the market. Either way, you still have a place to live. And that seems to be the biggest concern for home sellers when they're looking to sell their home and buy a new home. We highlight more moving tips in our blog, and you can find it in the caption below, or go to mdreprosblog.com. Or you can request a complete printout version of our relocation guide, which has all the steps you need to make your move easier. Again, we have one for buyers and one for sellers. Just let me know where you want me to send it. And remember that we'd love to be your go-to resource for your next move. Have a wonderful week, and keep the Maryland Real Estate Professional team in mind if you hear of anybody looking to buy or sell real estate in the near future. We love your referrals. Hakuna Matata. It means no worries for all your real estate days. I look forward to talking to you soon. Take care.